Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure online banking with Wells Fargo, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Wells Fargo website in your preferred web browser. Look for the sign on option usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on sign on to proceed to the login page. If you already have a Wells Fargo account, enter your online ID and password. For new users, locate the Enroll or Sign Up link and click on it. Fill out the required information, including your social security number and account details. Choose a unique online ID and password that are easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may include answering security questions. Once you've successfully created your account, you will receive a confirmation message. After confirmation, return to the Wells Fargo homepage and click on Sign On again. Enter your newly created online ID and password to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services tab, usually found in the menu. Select the option for Online Banking to explore various features. To set up online banking alerts, go to the Notifications section. Here, you can customize which alerts you want to receive, such as balance updates or transaction notifications. If you wish to link additional accounts, go to the Accounts tab. Select the option to add an external account and follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to verify ownership of the external account through small trial deposits. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help or Contact Us section for customer support options. Finally, take a moment to explore the features available under Accounts, such as bill pay and fund transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.